The Canadian cryptocurrency market is rapidly evolving, presenting both opportunities and challenges for investors. As we move into 2025, it's crucial to identify the best crypto trading platforms that cater to the specific needs of Canadian users. Factors like security, fees, user experience, and regulatory compliance play vital roles in determining the suitability of a platform. This video will explore the top contenders in the Canadian crypto exchange landscape, helping you make informed decisions. Choosing the right crypto exchange can significantly impact your trading success. A well-suited platform offers a secure environment for your digital assets, competitive fees to maximize your profits, and an intuitive interface for seamless trading. It should also comply with Canadian regulations to ensure investor protection and provide access to a wide range of cryptocurrencies. This video aims to provide a comprehensive overview of the best crypto trading platforms in Canada for 2025. We'll delve into their features, benefits, and drawbacks, empowering you to select the platform that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this guide will equip you with the knowledge you need to navigate the Canadian crypto market effectively. Key factors to consider. When selecting a crypto exchange, security should be a top priority. Look for platforms with robust security measures such as multi-factor authentication, cold storage for the majority of funds, and insurance coverage to protect against potential losses. Fees can significantly impact your profitability, especially if you're a frequent trader. Compare the trading fees, deposit and withdrawal fees, and other charges associated with each platform. User experience is another essential factor, particularly for beginners. A user-friendly platform with an intuitive interface, clear instructions, and helpful resources can make your trading journey smoother and more enjoyable. Look for platforms with mobile apps for convenient trading on the go and responsive customer support to address any issues or queries you may have. Number 1. BitBuy, a Canadian leader. BitBuy has established itself as a leading crypto exchange in Canada, known for its security, ease of use, and low fees. It is a registered marketplace and investment dealer with the Ontario Securities Commission, OSC, indicating its commitment to regulatory compliance and investor protection. BitBuy has processed over $6 billion in transactions for over 450,000 Canadian users, solidifying its reputation as a trusted platform. BitBuy offers a range of features that cater to both beginners and experienced traders. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate and execute trades, while its advanced trading tools provide more sophisticated options for experienced users. The platform supports approximately 25 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, and offers 24/7 customer support via email and live chat. One of BitBuy's key advantages is its low fees, with trading fees ranging from 0% to 2% depending on the volume of transactions. It also offers free deposits via Interac e-transfer and wire transfer, further reducing costs for users. BitBuy's mobile app is highly rated, providing a seamless trading experience on both Android and iOS devices. Number 2. CoinSquare, a trusted platform. CoinSquare is another reputable crypto exchange in Canada, offering a secure and reliable platform for buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. It supports a variety of digital currencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, and provides users with the tools and resources they need to trade with confidence. CoinSquare is known for its user-friendly interface and commitment to security, making it a popular choice among Canadian crypto investors. CoinSquare offers a range of features, including advanced trading tools, real-time market data, and educational resources to help users make informed decisions. The platform also provides a mobile app for convenient trading on the go and 24/7 customer support to assist users with any issues or queries. CoinSquare is committed to regulatory compliance and adheres to Canadian laws and regulations, ensuring a safe and transparent trading environment for its users. While CoinSquare's fees may be slightly higher than some other exchanges, its reputation for security and reliability makes it a worthwhile option for Canadian crypto investors. The platform also offers various promotions and discounts to help users save on fees, such as referral bonuses and volume-based discounts. Number 3. Virgo CX, an innovative exchange. Launched in 2018, Virgo CX has rapidly emerged as a trusted and innovative cryptocurrency exchange in Canada. It distinguishes itself by providing a seamless trading experience for both beginners and advanced traders, offering over 80 cryptocurrencies to buy, sell, and trade. Virgo CX is particularly appealing to institutional and high-net-worth traders due to features like OTC trading, which ensures deep liquidity and facilitates high-volume trades. Virgo CX's commitment to providing a user-friendly platform is evident in its intuitive interface and comprehensive resources. The exchange also prioritizes security, implementing robust measures to protect user funds and data too. Virgo CX's adherence to Canadian regulations further instills confidence in its growing user base. Whether you're looking to buy Bitcoin, explore Ethereum prices in CAD, or trade memecoins, Virgo CX provides the tools and security you need to thrive in the ever-evolving crypto landscape. Its focus on innovation and customer satisfaction makes it a compelling choice among Canadian crypto exchanges. Number 4. BitGet, a versatile platform. BitGet has quickly become a prominent player in the Canadian cryptocurrency market, offering a robust and versatile trading platform that caters to the unique needs of Canadian investors. It combines high liquidity with an extensive array of digital assets, including major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, alongside a diverse selection of altcoins. BitGet's intuitive interface appeals to both crypto newcomers and seasoned traders alike. One of BitGet's standout features for Canadian users is its support for Canadian dollar (CAD) deposits and withdrawals, streamlining transactions for local users and eliminating the need for currency conversion. The platform's adherence to Canadian regulations ensures a secure and compliant trading environment, instilling confidence in its growing user base. Canadian traders are particularly drawn to BitGet's innovative features, such as copy trading, which allows users to mimic the strategies of successful investors. BitGet also offers futures trading and staking options, providing Canadian crypto enthusiasts with diverse opportunities to potentially enhance their portfolios. The platform's commitment to security is evident in its use of cutting-edge encryption and multi-signature wallets, addressing the concerns of security-conscious Canadian investors. Number 5. Binance, a global leader. Binance has solidified its position as one of the top crypto exchanges in Canada, offering an extensive array of digital assets and a user-friendly platform that caters to the diverse needs of Canadian traders. As a global leader in the cryptocurrency space, Binance brings high liquidity and stringent security measures to the Canadian market, making it an attractive option for both novice and seasoned investors. One of Binance's standout features for Canadian users is its vast selection of cryptocurrencies. Traders can access major tokens like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as an impressive range of altcoins, providing ample opportunities for portfolio diversification. The platform's intuitive design ensures a smooth trading experience for Canadian users. Binance supports Canadian dollar (CAD) deposits and withdrawals, streamlining the process for local traders. Binance provides Canadian traders with multiple avenues for earning yield. Users can participate in staking programs, provide liquidity to earn rewards, or engage with Binance Earn products. The Binance Launch Pool offers Canadian investors the opportunity to farm new tokens by staking their existing assets, including the platform's native BNB token. Other notable exchanges. While BitBuy, Coinsquare, Virgo CX, BitGet, and Binance represent some of the leading crypto exchanges in Canada, several other platforms are worth considering. Kraken is a popular choice for its low fees and advanced trading features. Gemini is known for its security and focus on experienced traders. Coinberry is a Canadian-based exchange that offers a simple and user-friendly platform. Each of these exchanges has its unique strengths and weaknesses, so it's essential to do your research and choose the platform that best aligns with your individual needs and preferences. Consider factors like fees, security, user experience, available cryptocurrencies, and customer support when making your decision. Remember to always exercise caution when trading cryptocurrencies and only invest what you can afford to lose. The crypto market is highly volatile, and prices can fluctuate dramatically. Remember to do your research and choose the platform that best aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Always exercise caution when trading cryptocurrencies and only invest what you can afford to lose. The crypto market is highly volatile, and prices can fluctuate dramatically. By carefully evaluating your options and understanding the risks involved, you can navigate the Canadian crypto market with confidence and potentially achieve your financial goals. Stay informed, stay safe, and happy trading.